Welcome back, guys. It is finally the part 3 of the Ford F-150 rebuild. So we finally got the cab back in. All the door jambs are painted and the engine bay. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks, and then we're gonna pull in the truck inside and start working on it. All right, guys, here is the black cab. It was black, but now it's more red than black. Only the outside of the cab is black, but he went ahead and painted the rear section, all the door jambs, and the engine bay. The inside of the truck, there's no point of painting it because the carpet will close everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and take the truck inside, and I can go ahead and start disassembling everything. And I don't know, maybe we can get this cab on today. I highly doubt it, but we can try. All right, guys, so now that the truck is finally in here, I'm probably going to go ahead and start with the front end. I got to disassemble basically everything here: the bumper, the grille, headlights, all the little brackets and fenders, and also I do have to take the radiator, condenser, everything out because the cab is separated from the actual radiator support. So let's go ahead and start disassembling all this. Actually, guys, a quick change of plans. Before I start on disassembling anything else, I have to get the bed off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this bed out. All right, guys, I see some progress right here. Finally got the bed off. I'm not sure what this guy was doing, but there's a whole bunch of dirt everywhere. So I'm debating if I should back it out right now and use the pressure washer, at least clean this section out, because once I take the cab off, the truck will not be able to be started, because I mean everything will be pretty much, I mean the motor will still be here, but everything here, all the fuses, I mean the fuse boxes, all the main plugs and stuff will be unplugged. I might try to back it out right now and try to at least kind of hose it down a little bit with a pressure washer, and then start on the cab. All right, guys, so I just got done pressure washing. I'm gonna let it sit out on the sun for an hour or so, let it dry up before I bring it back in the shop. But this thing looks a lot better than how it was. It had a whole bunch of dirt on here, so I mean it looks a lot better. I guess I'm gonna see you guys in about an hour or so. All right, guys, so the frame is now dry. Now I'm probably gonna jump inside and start disassembling all this stuff, and then last thing I'm gonna do is disassemble the front end. Alright guys, now that the seats are out, I'm going to move on to the headliner. Take off the headliner and also the airbags. Alright guys, headliner's out, and I was working on this airbag. I was taking it out and didn't realize that my battery died, but this airbag is already out. So now I'm going to move the camera stand to the other side. Actually, I'm going to leave it right here. It's a good view from right here. I'm going to leave it right here and I'm going to take off that airbag. Alrighty guys, both of the airbags are off. Headliner is off, seats are off, the bed is off. This is some good progress right here. So before I continue doing anything else on the interior, I want to vacuum all this glass up, because I am like on my knees here and I don't want to get caught up from this glass. So let's go ahead and vacuum it real quick and probably start off with the center console and go to the dash. Alright guys, now that the center console is out, now we can move on to the dashboard. Alright guys, so the dash is finally out. Man, talk about a pain in the butt. This thing was one of the hardest dashes I've ever taken out, and I did at least 20-30 dashes before, and this was just ridiculous. It was a pain in the butt to get it out. There was some stuff holding in the back. I was thinking to get the glass removed and then trying to get it out like that, but I did manage to get it out like this. So but that's gonna be it for this one. In the next video I will be pretty much, the whole interior is going to be gutted out, and hopefully I can get the cab out in the next video, so be sure you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also like my videos and share them with your friends. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.